Module 18, Product by Category Report. Product listing. Product listing with image. Before we get started, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out our other how-to videos from this channel. Also, subscribe and share. It will be helpful for the channel. In this tutorial, we will be adding a query for the product list report. We will have two different reports for the product, one without a default image and the other with a default image. In addition, I will show you how to highlight products that have an in-stock quantity below reorder point number. Let's go coding. All right, let's go to C drive, access projects, and we are going to make a copy of the module 17. Select, Control C, Control V. We are going to rename this 17 to 18. How about product report? And let's go in there, open it up. So we're going to go ahead and close this guy out. I have never told you about this content, why you have to do this. Anytime you make a copy of Access, most of the Microsoft application, if you make a copy and try to open it, it thinks that the application has never been opened, all right, or it thinks it's a third-party application. So therefore, it disables all the contents or the controls. So you need to enable that every time, all right. Once you enable it the first time, all right, it won't ask you again, all right. So if we close it out, let's see, close that down and open it again, for instance, because you have already opened it once, it enables all the contents and it will launch normally. All right, so just keep in mind, anytime you make a copy of the Microsoft applications, all right, most of Microsoft applications, when you launch, especially the Access, it thinks it's a third-party application, and it disable information just so they don't embed any viruses or anything like that. So, and that's the reason why. Anyways, all right. So in this video, let's take a look at what we did last time. Oh, we did this right here. See this? Double click that guy. Look at that. So we did the we did really good stuff last time. We modified this. We did the recent transactions list. So so in this video, we are going to do we got two reports. All right. In this video, we are going to do product details, product listing. All right. So let's make a copy of this guy. Copy, paste, and let's call this report product by category. Because we know there are categories, products and categories. So let's take a look at the query, see what we can use. I noticed that we have this product list, all right, which has all the products and the search text, all right. and this can be used throughout. So this is what we use for the product form. However, we don't have the category, I don't think. Let me see. That's product number, product name, description. So we don't have category. All right. We have product category, but let's open that up. Again, this one is just a category. Category number, category name, and then it's got product ID. Oh, this is product category. This is the relationship, by the way. So let's that could be useful. Yeah, that could be useful. Now that I'm looking at it, because we want to list the products by category. So this is good. So we got product number here as well. Now we're talking. The only thing that we don't have is the details, product details. Yeah, the only thing we don't have is product details. Like this guy, see product list. We got unit cost, price in stock, and reorder point. All right. So let's pop back in here and look at it. Let's see what is okay. Okay. So yeah, we can definitely use that. And we don't have to worry about this list because see here, we can populate all these guys down there, right there. Product category. Product category. That is not too shabby. I think we're going to use that. Good. I was thinking that we're going to have to create a new one. So what we need, all right, we are going to go ahead and put this guy all the way. Yeah, we're going to need everybody there, just like that. Look at that. Now we can do the report. Good. Good. That's good. We don't have to build a new one. All right, let's save that guy. The only thing we are missing here, let's go back to the design. Yeah, this is perfect right here. The only thing we are missing, as a matter of fact, I'll go ahead and close that out. If we look at this guy right here, this report, we're missing the company information. This right here, don't worry about this customer, but we are missing this company information. All right. So we are going to create a new one, but using this product category, the one we just viewed. All right. So let's do that. Let us do that. Let's think. Or the invoice. Let's think just a tad. Think just a tad. Or the invoice has this information. Good. So what we want is to make a copy of this order invoice. I'm going to show you how to hack this guy. Control C, Control V. Let's call this product by let's call product report. Yeah, product report because it's going to, well, you know what, product by category is fine. Just because it could be used throughout anywhere in the in our application. But if we say report, it sounds dedicated. You know what I'm saying? We want the name to be generic, right? So when you name stuff, think ahead of time. We want it to be generic, all right? That way it can be used throughout it in any form throughout your application. All right. So let's go in there and let's hack this out. We are not interested in any of these four columns, four tables. Well, so I'm going to select those and then say bye bye. We are left with that guy. Good. Now there are some bits in here that we modified. Uh, you see the contact information, first name, last name. We don't want that. It's going to say, what are you talking about? Because we just delete this table, right? So let's move them. Let's move. I'm going to leave this report header in there because you will see why I leave the report header there. That's a good one. It says get header there. Leave that there. Don't change it. So and that's yeah, don't change that. All right. Just leave it there. It doesn't hurt. All right. It doesn't hurt. So Control S, and now we are left with the company information. Good. So there we got the top section of the report. All right. And now remember we were going to use this guy. Just pull this guy in there and you are done. Basically, we are interested in that guy all the way up to here. Well, as a matter of fact, we're interested in all of them. So yeah, let's select that guy, hold down the shift key and select all, and just we are interested in all of them. All right, so let's Control S and let's take a look. Perfect. See there, that's what we need exactly. I was looking at this in stock right here. When we add orders to our add products to our order, I didn't even take a look at this in stock column. What we should have done in stock column here, let me show you what we should have done. Let's go to the order here. What we should have done, for instance, new order here, we should have when we go to this guy right here, it says add, we should decrement this guy. All right, so that should be in -2 of these guys in the database, which I did not do that. All right, so but in the production application, keep in mind that you need to decrement this number from the in stock, so that when it gets down to reorder point, all right, when it gets down to the reorder point, it should give you a flag. Hey, this guy is dropping below 375, like so. All right, so I did not take that into, I didn't even take a look at that, so that's why I didn't do anything to it. I just now realized I'm going to cancel that. So just keep in mind, yes. So just keep in mind, I just now noticed in stock column. All right. So, but anyways, I'm not going to do that. It shouldn't be too hard. All right. It should not be too hard. Just documenting these guys. If you need me to do that for you, just make a comment for this under this video, and if we have enough people interested in watching me do documenting this in stock quantity. This is a quantity, by the way, in stock, all right, or on hand. Some people call it on hand quantity. It's called in stock quantity. If you want to see me do that, and we have enough people, I will do it. All right, but for now, I'm not. Just keep in mind. But you are welcome to request. All right, so we got the query. Let's close that out. We're done. Let's go back to our report. Now we can change this guy to product. There, by category. All right, and you notice this guy is like, what are you talking about, right? So I am going to, you know what? I'm going to take out this right side, some of the left side here. If you click on this, if you look down here, customer number, we're going to change that to category ID. All right, and then the line number here, to sort by, we're going to change that to product. How about product name? All right, now we need to fill up all stuff. So in this one right here, that one right there. Oh, by the way, that header, if you're wondering why I didn't want you to remove that report header, look at that. There's a report header there. See that? That's why. All right, so that is good. That is significant. So anyways, let's continue. We're gonna fill this guy out. This is going to be let's call it category number. We're gonna add space between the number and the name, and then we'll say category name. All right. And then we are going to and that's good. That's good. I was thinking if we should put the description in there. That could be too lengthy. All right. So let's not do that. I'm gonna make this guy a little wider and move it to the left a bit. All right. So that will be our category, and we'll go ahead and make this text 11 and left align and bold right here on the right here. All right, so that will be good. That's good right there. Yep. This total over here, we are not interested. I'm going to take that out. I am going to copy this guy because it has this these properties in there, and put it under there, thinking out loud, and then push it out, and I'm going to format like this. So what we want here is we want there are well okay, let's think about this a little bit here. Let's think about it a little bit here, because I want to be a little fancy with this guy, and you're gonna see me do a little programming in here in this code, in the VBA code here. Let's go in there. Let's zoom this guy. I'm thinking about this thing. See if you follow what I'm saying. Check this out. IIF. So if count, look at this. Category ID, make sure you get out from that guy, is greater than 1, then else then. So if it's greater than 1, we say there are, and then and count. See that? Oops. And inside there you say category ID, else there else, check this out, I'm gonna dance with it, else IIF, else if count, if count parentheses. You see how the parentheses getting larger there? Category ID equals 1, then see that? So if it's equal to 1, we'll say there is and there is and count. Well, if it's equal to 1, we just type it out. There is 1 product for this category. For there you go. So we can do this. For, see, when you think out loud, you start to look like this. Category name. Else nothing. Else no products for, there you go. So we'll put category name there, no products for this, for category 4. All right, here there are count ID right here, and we're gonna add for and yeah, go in there, category name. So when do like this, you just have to remember how to put things together. You see how it first we got smaller and then we got larger inside out. Okay, inside out, we're working inside out, coming outside. See, so for example, if you notice, we got this parentheses coming out. For example, we got if, and then you go if this, then this, then else if, for example, and then you have to have parentheses inside there, and you go again this, then else if, and then you have more parentheses. That's how that works. And I think I'm missing a parentheses in here to think about it, because there are two. Let me see. There are two. Okay, there are two of them. So that's, yeah, I think that should be right. All right, there are two of them. We'll find out, won't we? All right. So let's close that out. That's how that works. All right. That's how that works. Now let's fill in the gap. Let's make this guy. We got product number here. So I'm gonna remove this line item. Oops. I'm gonna delete that guy. Okay. This is that's a that's a background. Forgot about that. So let's move this. I'm gonna open this guy up so I can see. Let's move this guy to the left, and that product number seems to be little. Yeah, right there. And I'm gonna move this guy out there for now, and I'm going to move. I'm gonna delete this guy right here. It looks a little awkward. I am going to move this guy out to about, yeah, oh, well, maybe this guy needs to come with it. All right. Now I'm going to make a copy of this guy. Copy. And right there. And now I'm going to select this guy and make it the same width, which is the widest. Look at that. And now I can push them together. Let's see. I can push. Yeah, that can push the front one to the back. Right there. All right. And then I can come over here and select this guy. Don't mind my my line. See that I have to click one by one and kick out from that environment for it to disappear. You see that? That's pretty nifty, isn't it? All right, we're almost done, by the way. So now we just need to name this guy. That's item number, item name. That's perfect. How about this guy? Cost. This will be unit cost. Cost. And change that to unit cost. See there? And make sure you rename this guy cost. This is quantity. Perfect. And that should, oh no, that should be in stock. In stock. And then this guy, we should say in stock. No, you know what? Let's change that. That's all right. We're gonna need in stock anyways. We need a price. All right. We need a price, because if you take a look here, there is a price. There is a price. Scroll down. Check. Scroll down. Right there. So we need to know the price of that guy. So, but right now we are going to say, not in stock, but reorder. Reorder point. Oops, we had it. There. Reorder point. Let's go back down. Reorder point. There you go. Control S. Now we need to add the price. So looks like we are going to make this guy a little narrow. The same way here. Let's do right click and narrow it. I think those are all the same size. Let's do a select again to about J. Kick out and save. I'm going to close and reopen. See, I need a new computer. Is it a computer or is it an application? Not sure what it is. it only seemed to happen with the my access. So let's do this. Let's move. Let's see. Let's move these two guys together with that one. Oh, by the way, let's do this. It's called I think it's one word. Reorder. Like so. Let's move this. Let's move this guy out. A little further out, and then we're gonna copy that guy, put to the right, copy this guy to the right, touching to that guy, touching that guy, and then call this price. Let's move this guy, touching that guy. Let's expand this guy, touching that guy, and now make that a price and name that price. Now there are a couple of things that we need to do realigning. All right, so these two guys should be right aligned. Let's do right align. Align. Oh, it's right already. Good. And these two guys should be centered, like so. This should be left. Good. Perfect. We are done. Mister. Looks like this guy is a little wider. So what needs to happen here? I'm going to move all four of these guys to right about there. Oh, I should have grabbed this guy at the same time. Alright, and now we're gonna grab this guy and expand that. Ooh. There. Kick out. Select this. Kick out. That's weird. Alright. I'm sorry if you can't see the stuff that I'm doing because of the lines. Like I said, I probably need a new one. So now let's move this guy up a little bit. Select them all and move it up right there. Pull this guy up. Pull this guy up. And that's it. And that's all there is to it. Control S. And now let's go to the code behind. See this guy right here? So if it's not there, do this. Okay, that's good. It's not there and don't do anything. So I'm going to change his name to product list. Control S. Let's take a look. We are done. View, print preview. Hold on, there's something here. Oh, actually, go ahead. Print preview. Look at that. Print preview. Look at that. There is one product for patch kit. I'm going to make this guy a little wider so it's legible. Look at that. Let's move this guy up so that we can see the header. That looks pretty neat. Alright, that looks pretty. Don't worry about the title here, the header. We're gonna do that when it's all said and done. Right now, we need to fix this. See there? Reorder and this guy. Let's fix that. Design view. Let's fix that. This should be. Let's put this guy back down. This should be currency, which is good, and this should be format general number right there with 0 decimal. All right, and now, well, I'm going to show you another trick. Now I'm thinking about it. Now that I am thinking about it, well, hold on. Before I show you, let's take a look at the report. I'm going to show you a trick. You're going to learn lots of tricks from me, mister, or whoever you are watching. All right. See this in stock? We are looking for the one that is um, below reorder. All right. So I'm going to advance to the next one. Actually, I want to see the title and all that right there. So in stock is still above. We want the one is below. Do we have anyone below? We might have to. Yeah, we might have to make one. See, let's look at the one. It says there is one product for that guy. It's one product for that guy. There's one product for that chain. Buy wash. See there? Buy wash. Um, but there are 4 products for road 350W. See there? Let's see. Yeah, we might have to demonstrate the trick that I'm about to show you. We might have to make a couple of these guys less than reorder point. All right. All right. Let's go to the. So this would be. So this would be separated by the category per page. All right. So now if you want to put them all together, you select this guy right here, the footer, and you see right here it says after selection. If you select none, let's see what happens there. That's what you get. All right, that's what you get, and you probably want this since it's a listing. All right, so we're gonna have a title called product list, or product list by category, something like that. All right, and it's actually doing its thing. All right. One thing that we could do, we could draw a line right below the footer, and then just so it know, like this guy, just so it knows that it's the new category. You know what I'm saying? So now we can just advance and keep going. See there, like so. All right. All right, let's do that. Let's add a line. Let's yeah. Let's decorate all stuff. I'm gonna grab this line right here on the top, copy, Control C, and then right down here, click on this bar right here, Control V, and then use your arrow key. See, see how easy that is, right there. And then we're gonna make a little gap there and pull this guy all the way up. Now, if you take a look at it again, you can see the line breaking that. You see that? And that looks better. All right, that looks better. I think it looks better. All right, so that is the report for product category. Now I'm going to show you a trick. Let's go to the table products. We are going to modify some of these guys, but before I do that, yes, let me see. What I want is leave that one open. I want to see something here. The query. I want the category that has several products listed so that it stands out. You know what I'm saying? Do you know what I know? Product by category, right? This guy. All right. So what I'm interested in is looking at the product category right here. So I want to sort this by A to Z. There. And I am interested in a couple of this guy, this product right here. So I'm going to copy this guy right here, come over here, and deselect. No, that's not what I want. Text search right here, contains equals to, like so. There. Now we can modify this guy. Make this guy 70. All right. Let's undo the filter. Clear. And then let's look at somebody else. How about this guy? How about that guy? Control C, copy that back to our product table. Let's filter by equals up there. And then again, we're gonna make this guy 70, 74. All right. One more. We're gonna make it one more. Let's let's make it one more. Let's pick out somebody further down the line. How about this guy? Make sure it's, yeah. Copy that. And let's change this filter. And this guy, 73. All right. So let's close this out. And let's take a look at the product. Before I show you, oh, that's not what I meant to do. I meant preview. Before I show you the tricks, is we want to look at the okay. You know what? Let's order the category. Let's order the category. Let's order a category. So we're gonna sort by, first sort by category name, name, number, name. All right. So that's gonna do this header, and then add the sort again. Second, we're gonna do by product name. All right. All right. Control S. Let's try that again. I'm gonna expand that out. Take a look at this guy. Not sure why that is. It didn't look like it's doing what we wanted to do. I want to see it again. Did I do it right or did I not do it right? I'm going to remove this guy. I think it's in here. All right. So we're gonna change this. I understand why. So we're gonna change the category ID to category number. Name. Let's change it to name. That way we can sort by that name. All right. So let's do that. Let's category name, and then we're gonna start with an A top. That's why. All right. So Control S, and then view. It should start by an A. Yep, that's better. See, all purpose. Now we can look through this guy because let's look through this guy. We're looking for 70 category. Let's see. Oh, right here. Some of these guys. See there? Right there. This is the mountain bike. Mountain 100. So, see 70, 73, 74. These two items. Let me show you what needs to happen there. Because as a list, you want to give this list to your employee and try and go down their inventory and say, hey, go make orders on the ones that we need to make order. All right. This column looks a little narrow. I wonder if there are any item that has or larger, more expensive than this. Anyways, let's go to trick this guy out. All right, I'm going to show you something here. Check this out. Select the whole entire items here, column, like so. All right, and you have to remember this column name, reorder point, and in stock. Those two guys you have to remember because I'm going to take you to format. Yeah, conditional format. See right here. If you select all like I showed you, when you click on this conditional formatting, it will select multiple. All right, that's what you need. And now we're going to select new rule, and we're going to say expression. All right, so remember what I told you. We'll say if what was it, in stock? Yeah, if in stock is less than reorder point. It really doesn't matter order point. It really doesn't matter. It's pretty forgiving. And then what do you want it to do? If that happens, we want it to highlight. How about dark red? Dark red, like so. And even bold it up, make it larger, like so. All right. Let's take a look now. Apply. Bam. All right. So we're going to Control S, close that down, and we are going to right click on this report, print preview. And if you advanced, you should see some red stuff. Come on, red. I want to see some red. There. You see there? Let's make it big. And then nifty. So now you can say, hey, employee, here's a list. Go check out your orders. Hand this report to your employee and have your employee reorder this product because it's below the reorder point. That's how that works. All right. And that is it for this video. All right. That is that for this video. The next video, we are going to be doing customer list. All right. Oh, you know what? Hold on, just a second. One thing I forgot. Do you care if you need to put a picture in there? Huh? What do you think? We can put a picture in there, by the way, if you want to. All right. We can have a list of pictures in the image, just in case your employee doesn't know what it is. Well, you know what? Let's do this. I like that. I don't want to change it. I'm gonna close that out. I'm gonna do two versions. I'm gonna make a copy of that guy and select and paste. And on this one, I'm gonna go to the end here and say with image. How about that? Now we have two of them. All right, one with image, one without. So here I'm going to add the image to this guy. But before I can add image, okay, here is yeah, because we don't have an image file in here. So if you look at this product by category, we don't have image file there. So we got image file for the logo of the company, but we don't have an image file for the item. Huh? How would you gonna do that? Let me show you how I am thinking of doing. Let's create a new query. I'm thinking of how to do this. Product details. I think in product details there is an image. Nope, not that one. So remove that, delete that. Let's go look at, oh, right here, product image. Duh, right there. We need that guy. All right. And we're not interested in the product image ID at all. But we are interested in this product ID, not the image ID, but product ID. All right. So let's hold down the shift key and select the default. We are going to pull everybody in there from now on. We don't need these settings. All right. But let's take a look at the image first, the query first. Say we got one there. This means this guy is default. All right. It's these products right here. There are two products in this there are two images for this product, and there's three products. There are three images for this product. Actually, this is three too. Yeah, that's three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. So what we are interested in, let me show you. Go to the design. We don't want this. We just want to see. This guy equals 1. There should only be 2 of them. Perfect. That's what we want. All right. So now we can save this guy. Call it query product default image, because it is default. You see there. Now I'm going to close that out. Now I'm going to product default image right there, and now I'm going to pull this guy over and say, hey, you belong to this guy. You see there? So you got to tie this guy together, join those two guys, and now we can select this small image. That's it. We are done. You just double click that guy. It should be tag on the bottom right there. See there? And that's all we need. I'm gonna move this guy. I like my my header to be on the end. Control S. Get out. Now, question is, we have to modify some of this width. I'm gonna make. You know what? Let's do this. Before I do modification there, I'm going to select box 24 here and then move it down. Good. Now I can select this guy, and make it about short. Now I'm going to select this guy. As a matter of fact, I'm going to select this guy first. These two, push it to there. Now I'm going to select this guy, come down here and select this guy. See how clever I am? Not bragging about myself, by the way, just letting you know. And now I'm going to expand this guy to right about there. Yeah, that's good. That is just good. And now I'm just going to copy this my mother's picture here. She looks good. Passed away about 3 months ago, by the way. I still miss her. She's watching me programming, by the way. A picture, that is. Copy. Now I'm going to select this guy and paste. Look at that, right on, almost perfect. Right on, almost perfect. All right. I'm going to name that guy to IMG product image, like so. And then we need to change this name to small image. See there? That's all we need to do. I'm gonna move that away from that wall, like so. Now we can make this guy up. That looks good like that. Control S. Let's take a look, see what it looks like. Let's see. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, so it only shows where the image is inner join. It's inner join. Let's fix that. Let's fix the query. We don't want inner join. We want to list all products. All right. We want to list all products, regardless if the image exists or not. All right. So let's take a look at it again. Let me explain. There are only 2 images. That's why you see these 2 items. All right. So we want to list all of them, regardless if there is image or not. All right. So let's go. Let's fix that. I also noticed something here. I'm going to move this guy to right about J. Yep. So that's good right there. Control S. Now let's go to the query. Product by category. Product by category. Right click on this line right here. We're gonna do left join. Left join means list all stuff from the left side, regardless if the right side exists or not. All right. So we're gonna do left join. In this case, it doesn't say left. All right. In SQL Server, it says left. You just say left join. All right. But now, we want to list all records from product by category. Product category right there. Okay. So let's get the bottom one. And if we look, it should list everybody there. Ooh, outer join. Let's see. Could not be executed because why there is. Should be able to. One thing that we could do, if it doesn't want us to list it here, it probably has something to do with this query. So let's do this. Let's remove that for now. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and close this down. Let's take a look at the product category right here. And now I'm going to join the what was it, the product image, default image, this guy. See there, it automatically, so let's see if this guy, I'm gonna go ahead and put this guy out there. and the large image as well. And let's take a look. So that looks fine. Now we want to join all from products. Yes, good. So it has something to do with the query that we build. See, this guy, when we join the other side, it said, which one are you referring to between these two guys? It doesn't know, all right, because they were combined. So, but now we narrow down to just this guy, just this product. That's the reason why, all right. That's what I thought. Okay, so let's come over here. Okay, good. We got two of them. So close that out. Now, if we open up this product by category, we should see that guy on the bottom here. See this guy? And we're interested in this guy. Might as well put this guy in there too. Control S. Now we should be able to see all the stuff. Let's see print preview. That's better. But we don't want mom's image there. We don't want mom's image there. So how are we going to do that? So mom always there. Wait, mom, you are beautiful, but we don't want you to be listed on every product. No. What we could do, all right, we could do this. We're gonna take her out, mom. We're gonna add new one. Select this right here, picture, and we're gonna come down here and just draw a square. Square like so. And when it asks for the picture, just cancel. All right, there. And then now we are going to give it a name. As a matter of fact, we can just select that guy and copy that and put it up there like so. All right. That should give us the image and blank out the ones that is, yeah, and blank out with the one, let's see, back style. How about back style transparent? There you go. So Control S. Let's take a look. Ta-da! So that's good. That's good. So let's advance and see if we find any. There should be a couple of images in there. Just keep going. We might find something. Might find something somewhere. Somewhere. Oh, there they are. Good. You see there? That's what we want. That's pretty. That is pretty. All right. Now I'll just let you decide on the borders of the product. Let's try that. Let's try to do this guy without border. Nah, it won't look right. Just because of the numbers on the right here. I think that should be boxed in like that. And that is that. So we got two reports, one product with image. Come on, getting close somewhere. There, product with image, and we did this coloring. All right, we did this coloring. Let's see, let's make it a little big. So there you go. Now it's more legible. So that's pretty nifty way of displaying the image. All right, so that is that for this video. The next video we are going to be doing the customer list. All right, and then once we're done that, we're gonna create a report menu. So we have 5 reports. All right, if you follow along, you're gonna learn a lot from me showing you how to hack things, make things happen, just like I have been doing. All right. So there you have it. There you have it. So there you have it. Report displaying the image, default image for the product. Happy programming. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.